Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to talk about. Today, we're diving into the world of neural interfaces. These are cutting-edge technologies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where you can control devices with your thoughts. No more keyboards, no more touchscreens, just pure, seamless interaction. That's what neural interfaces are all about. They are designed to create a direct link between our brains and computers. They act as a bridge between our brains and computers, allowing for direct communication. This means we can send commands to a computer just by thinking. Think of it like this. Your brain is sending electrical signals all the time. These signals can be harnessed and interpreted by neural interfaces. Neural interfaces can pick up these signals and translate them into commands for a computer. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the world around us. Imagine controlling your home, your car, or even your workplace with just a thought. But hold on, there's a twist. This isn't just about controlling devices. AI is playing a huge role in this. It's not just about reading brain signals, it's about understanding and predicting them. It's making these interfaces smarter and more powerful. Let's explore this further and see how AI and neural interfaces are shaping our future. AI is like the brain boost for neural interfaces. It helps them learn our brain activity patterns. This makes them faster and more accurate at interpreting our thoughts. Imagine you're using a neural interface to control a robotic arm. AI can help the arm move smoothly, just like a real one. This is just one example of how AI is changing the game for neural interfaces. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? The combination of AI and brain-computer interfaces raises some serious ethical concerns. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, ethics. When it comes to AI-powered brain technology, the stakes are incredibly high. We're talking about AI directly interacting with our brains, which is a big deal. This isn't just about convenience or efficiency, it's about fundamentally altering how we think and interact with the world. One major concern is privacy. Imagine a world where your innermost thoughts could be accessed by someone else. Could someone hack into our neural interfaces and steal our thoughts? That's a scary thought. Another concern is control. Who would have the authority to access and regulate this data? Who gets to decide how these interfaces are used? The power dynamics could shift dramatically, giving unprecedented control to those who manage this technology. What if someone